dropshipping topics in our Dropship Advanced webinar, which is scheduled for Thursday, December 8th at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. With that, let's go ahead and get started. The most basic definition of dropshipping originates in the retail world, where it describes the processes. There it undergoes further processing and is then transported onto a destination transportation hub or processing center facility, such as a sectional center facility or an area distribution center. And after further sorting at those facilities, the mail is then transported to the Destination Delivery Office, or DDU, where it goes through a final sort and is then sent out with the mail carriers for final delivery to the mailbox. Dropshipping, as you can see by the green arrows, bypasses a number of these steps by means of the mailer transporting the mail from the origin facility directly to those destination NDCs, SCFs, ADCs, or even the final DDU. Bypassing these steps saves money for the Postal Service, which they share with mailers in the form of dropship and zone skipping discounts. Mailers may provide the transport themselves or contract with third-party consolidators or logistics providers to transport the mail for them. To facilitate the process of dropshipping, the Postal Service offers a program called Plant Verified Drop Shipment, or PVDF. This program allows for the mail to be verified and paid for at the origin post office, rather than at each individual additional entry post office. The mail is then transported at the mailer's expense to the destination postal facilities, where it is accepted as mail that has already been verified and paid for. There are specific rules and regulations for the preparation of mail that is drop-shipped, including preparation of a clearance document called a Form 8125. This form, which is completed by the mailer and signed and dated by the postal clerk once the mail has been verified and paid for, travels along with the drop-shipped mail. At the destination post office, the 8125 form provides proof that the mail has already been verified and paid for. PVDF is available for standard mail, parcel select, bound printed matter, and periodicals. Now, the Postal Service offers significant discounts in exchange for delivering letter or flat mail direct to destination postal facilities, which we've already described. The Postal Service calls this work sharing, which means in exchange for reducing the Postal Service's freight costs and processing time, postal customers can achieve discounts of up to 4.3 cents apiece, or 28%. Now, currently, the Postal Service has 29 NDCs and about 430 sectional center facilities, or SCFs, across the country. Now, they're in the process of reducing the amount of these processing facilities. NDCs and SCFs are the hubs for processing regional mail. And here's an example. Kansas City, Kansas NDC processes mail for the following 3-digit zip codes: 640 to 641, 644 to 658, 660 to 662, 664 to 679, and 739. While the Wichita, Kansas SCF processes mail for 670 and 672 out of that list. Now, the discount that you get for dropshipping depends on where you're entering the mail. Destination entry discounts can be either piece discounts or pound discounts. Piece discounts are typically for lighter weight pieces. And as an example, for standard mail, destination NDC pieces would receive 3.3 cents a piece, or $33 per thousand. Whereas mail that's shipped to the SCF would be 4.3 cents per piece savings or discount, or $43 per thousand. So, why would mailers want to drop ship their mail? Well, the obvious benefit, as we've already discussed, is that there's potential for postage discounts. The other major benefit of drop shipping involves the delivery of the mail. Drop shipping can help mailers with time-sensitive or dated mail to better control when that mail gets delivered to the ultimate recipients. As an example, using the current Postal Service delivery standards, local entered mail can take anywhere from 7 to 14 days or even longer for in-home delivery. Whereas if that mail is trucked to a network distribution center, or NDC,